Hi, my name is Rujeko Dumbuchena. I am from Zimbabwe, which is in Africa, and this is...
Farai Malianga. I'm also from Zimbabwe, which is in Africa.
And we have our students here that will be learning with you. Here we go. The idea here is teaching you some African dance steps. Except we're going to have the idea of a clock, right? We all need to learn how to use the clock. And numbers and counting are important in dance. Direction is important in dance. And so all of those things we'll learn today. Here we go. So, 12. And we're gonna go using our right foot to step to 12. And back. 12. And back. 12. And back. 12. We're gonna do 3 with our right. And back. 3. And back. 3. And back. 3. 6. 6 with our right. 6. And back. 6. And back. 6. And back. 6. Now we're gonna switch to our left. Start our bounce. Left to 12 o'clock. Left to 12. Left to 12. And left to 12. Left to 12. Left to 9. Left to 9. 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Left to 6. 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. Okay, now we're gonna get more complex. Here we go. We're gonna go right to 12. We're gonna go left to 6, right? 5, 6, 7, and right to 12. And left to 6. And right to 12. Step and left to 6. Step and right to 12. Step and left to 6. And right to 12. And left to 6. Now, double time, right? 1. So we're gonna go 12 and 6, 12, 12, 6, 12, 6, 12, 6, 12. Do we do double time? That's not double time. Forget the double time part, okay? Here we go, 12 and 6, 6, 12, 6, 12, 6, 12, 6. Now we're gonna go 3 and 9, right? 3, and then 9, step, 3, step, 9, step, 3, step, 9, step. Here we go, 3, step, 9, step. Now we can do this double time. Are you ready? 3, not double time. Flying out, in, 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 out, in. Perfect. Okay, now we're gonna do right to 6 and left to 6, right? This is a classic African dance step. Here we go, right? Now your arms are gonna go up, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Here we go, double step. Yay! Going back to 6 and 3 and 6. Going back to 3 and 6. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 3. We are going to use our right foot to mark all the time around this way, right? So we're pivoting is what we're doing, going in a circle. So you want to go 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? Can we do it? Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? Double time. 12, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again. 12, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? This time, we need a little bit of a shoulder shake, right? As we're going around. So one more time. Here we go. Maybe with a serious face, a frown on your face. Yes, here we go. And we go. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah! Okay, now we need to do a little bit of bouncing, right? Jump, jump. So we're gonna go jumping to 12 and back, 12 and back, and 12 and back, 12 and back, 12 and back, 12 to the 3 o'clock, 3 and back, 3 and back, 3 and back, 3, 9 o'clock, and back, 9 and back, 9 and back, 9, 6 o'clock, and 6 and back, 6 and back, 6 and back, 6 and back. Good. How are you feeling? Tired already? Are you guys tired? No. African dance is good for fitness, keeps you healthy while you're having fun, right? Here we go. So now, hips. Hips are very important in African dance, right? So we're gonna get into African dance position. Now, we're gonna use our hips. Get in African dance position. Drop your pelvis. Hands on hips. Give me some attitude. We're gonna go 3 and 6. Here we go. 3 and 6. Oh. Give me some attitude. We're gonna go 3